Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and this video is on how to use blend command in Creoparametric in sheet metal design. Okay, so let's get started. Click on the shape. Here is your command, blend command. Click on this. Now for performing this operation we have to create these sections. Now click on this section. This is the section 1. Define it. Next click on the front plane, sketch it, click on sketch view, and next take the circle from this ribbon, draw it over here like this, make it 1000 diameter, click on OK. Now section 1 is generated, you can see over here. Okay, and click on the sections. Okay, now here you can see for creating the section 2 we can define at which distance it should be located. Now this is the system generated value 216.51. I would like to make the section 2 should be at 200 millimeter apart from this section 1. Okay, click on the sketch. Now I am going to draw the sketch 2 or section 2. Click on this normal view, take the circle command from ribbon and draw it from the center like this. Click on OK. Here you can see the application and procedure of the blend command. Okay, this is the section 1, this is the section 2. It is section 1 is offset from 200 from this section 2. You can change this distance also. Click on this, it is 200 millimeter. You can change this also like this. Next click on this section. You can add one more section also. Click on insert. Now this is the third one section. Okay, here you can see. Now I would like to make 500 millimeter. The section 3 should be located from section 2. Click on the sketch. Okay, here you can see. Click on this sketch view and take this circle, draw it from the center like this and click on OK. Okay, now here you can see in this drawing there are 3 sections I have drawn. You can see here, this is section 1, this is section 2, this is section 3. Okay, and you can change distance between them like this. Now this is 500, I would like to make it 200. Edit it and put over there. Here you can see the modified section, how it will be look like. Okay, now click on the section. Okay, and click on the section 2. Here in this green it is highlighted the section number 2. Okay, from here you can remove also. If you click on this remove, so the section 2 will be removed from the drawing. Okay, and you can change this distance also. Now this is 300, I would like to make it 500. 4500, click enter. Okay, like this. Okay, click on the section 3. Okay, if here we can also do offset from which section. Okay, now this is the section 3 is selected and I would like it should be located after section 1. Okay, so click on the section 1. Here you can see the changes. Okay, like this. And this is about sections. Now click on the straight if you wanted to make it as a straight, and you can make also smooth also. Okay, here the model is with a smooth blended surface, and if you would like to make it as straight, so click on the straight. Okay, now this is in straight surfaces as a blended. Next, add the bends on sharp edges and the thickness. Okay, this is the thickness inside. Put 2 over there like this, make it to 20. Again change this, make it 15. You can see the changes. Again make it 16. Again you can change this. This is the bend radius you can add in this. If I am going to put 80. Okay, now this bend radius is of 80. Sudden make it into 10 radius. Okay, like this. You can change whether it should be from inside or outside. Okay, like this. And this section is also completed. Options are also completed, and here are the bend allowances. I have completed this part in the next in previous video, so you can watch this video from my channel, what is bend allowances and how we can put in the drawing and develop the length. Okay, now hence we completed this command also. Click on this green tick mark and our model is generated. Okay, so thank you very much friend for watching this video. If you are new on this channel, so kindly subscribe my channel for getting latest updates and video, and learn the industrial skills and the design software also, and share it to your WhatsApp groups, to your friends. Okay, thank you very much.